let's be real for a second. Formula One just doesn't feel the same anymore. Yeah, the cars are faster. The graphics look cooler. The Netflix cameras are everywhere. But when was the last time you actually jumped out of your seat watching a race? The truth is, something's missing. Something that used to make Formula One unpredictable, emotional, and downright electric. So today, we're asking the question that F1 fans around the world keep whispering. Has Formula One become boring? And more importantly, how do we fix it? There was a time when F1 was wild, unfiltered, human. You had rivalries, controversies, massive crashes, emotional interviews, and unpredictable races. Drivers weren't media-trained robots. They were gladiators. The cars were beasts. The sound shook your chest. Every Sunday felt alive. But over the last few years, things have changed. The sport has become cleaner, safer, slicker. But in the process, maybe a little too perfect. Let's talk about the elephant in the paddock. Dominance. We've gone from epic battles to extended victory laps. When one team wins every race, the tension dies before the lights even go out. Don't get me wrong, Max Verstappen and Red Bull deserved every win a few years ago. Their perfection was historic. The same thing with McLaren lately, but the consequence? Predictability. And predictability is the enemy of excitement. As we witnessed in the Las Vegas Grand Prix, the circuit with the longest straights on the calendar and the drivers couldn't overtake. Every time someone came close to another car, the tires overheated and destroyed the pace. When you can guess the top three on Saturday, it's not sport, it's routine. Formula One used to be about finding the edge. Now, it feels like drivers are punished for touching it. Track limits, time penalties, rulebook loopholes. It's like the FIA has turned into the fun police. Every weekend, we're talking more about investigations and overtakes. The drivers are frustrated. The fans are tired. And the spontaneity, that beautiful, messy chaos, is disappearing. Here's the ironic part. Formula One has never been more popular, but it's also never felt less thrilling. Netflix brought in millions of new fans. The paddock is full of celebrities. The social media game is on point. But the on-track product? Not matching the hype. We're living in the drive to survive era, where the drama off the track is more interesting than the races themselves. And that's a dangerous sign for any sport. Fans don't need constant chaos. We just want competition. A real fight. Drama that feels earned, not manufactured. We want more teams capable of winning, fewer DRS trains, and cars that can actually race close without overheating tires after 2 laps. Bring back unpredictability. Bring back risk. Bring back the feeling that anything can happen. So how do we fix it? It's not easy, but it's possible. Number 1, budget caps with teeth stop the top teams from outspending everyone. Harsher penalties for every team that spends more than allowed, and not just a slap on the wrist. Number 2, simplify aerodynamics. Less dirty air, more racing. Right now, it seems that the better driver is the one that can manage the tires and not the one that can go fastest. Number 3, reward smaller teams. Better prize distribution keeps the grid alive. Number 4, let drivers be drivers. Loosen up on radio rules and penalties. But at the same time, keep the rules and the criteria for punishment same for everyone. Because right now, some drivers are treated differently. Number 5, reignite rivalries. Showcase personalities again. If Formula One wants to stay at the pinnacle of motorsport, it needs more than just technology. It needs emotion. Formula One isn't just about who's fastest. It's about the feeling it gives you. That rush when 2 cars go side by side. That tension when a strategy gamble pays off. That connection between fans and drivers that makes every race matter. Right now, F1 feels like it's lost some of that soul, but it's still there, waiting to be reignited. So, what do you think? Has Formula One lost its magic? Or are we just expecting too much from a sport that's always evolving? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more honest F1 breakdowns, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. Because at Formula One Frenzy, we keep it real